Good morning to all of you, 9th standard student of Gujarat State Board. Here the in my this second video, rest of the question answer I am solving here. Here written give brief information about the Battle of Plassey. So here you have to write some point already about this matter here given in page number 5. You can get it, Battle of Plassey. First you have to write between whom this battle was fought. So in page number here, Battle of Plassey already mentioned. Sirajuddaulah was ruling over Bengal. Due to his impulsive nature, he had some opponent in his state. During this period, the British East India Company built a fortress around the trade center of Kolkata on pretext of security reason without taking any permission of the Nawab. But Nawab Sirajuddaulah destroyed the fortress. When this news reached Madras, a small army of the company led by Robert Clive reached Bengal in order to help the Kolkata trade center. In spite of the army of the East India Company being strong, they realized that it was not easy to defeat the Nawab army. So Robert Clive resorted to treachery. A conspiracy was planned in order to defeat the Nawab, in which the Nawab Commander-in-Chief Mir Zafar and Seth Amichand were coaxed to join. The battle was fought on 23rd June 1757 AD. In this war, Sirajuddaulah was defeated and murdered by Robert Clive, and this is the story of Battle of Plassey. In this way you can write. Now next question asking explain the economic impact of the company rule in India. Economic impact related to this book, page number 7 you take out, then you can get. In this page number 7, see already heading is given economic impact of the company. Wait 1 minute here. In page number 8, second line, stanza line we will write first. Before the arrival of the company, the Indian village was self-reliant and prosperous, but under the company rule they became dependent and poor. Then in page number 7, under the economic impact of the company, we will write from here. Bengal exported cotton, cloth, raw silk, sugar, jute, muslin, but after the dual power policy or the glitter of the economic prosperity of Bengal faded, the dual power policy Duimukhi Shashan was introduced for the first time in Bengal, whereby the power of collecting revenue was with the British while the responsibility of the people's welfare was with the Nawab. Thus the British got the power without any responsibility and the Nawab had the responsibility without any power. The unfair revenue collection policy by the company made the Indian peasant a debtor. The British government imposed unfair taxes on the Indian cloth industry. The Indian artisan became poor and unemployed. So this was the economic condition of India during the British rule. Now third, explain the social impact of the company rule India. Social impact of the company rule also in page number 8 very clearly given. You can write from other, but according to book here I am telling explain the social impact of the company rule in India. You start from the question line, the social impact of the company rule in India, where the spirit of freedom of speech and thought developed among people due to the development of newspaper. In Indian society, certain wrong social custom, rites, rituals were prevalent during his time, like sati system, female infanticide, child marriage, etc. And to remove these things, Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Durga Ram Mehta, Behramji Mulberry, etc., so many social workers, yeah, social reformers came out in that time to remove those evil practices from our society. Then English education began to be imparted in India due to Lord Macaulay's endeavour, and so many universities were established in Mumbai, Madras, and Kolkata. So ultimately, we can see social impact. Sometimes it is very plus point, and sometimes it's very negative also. Positive and negative impact we can see of the in the society of the British rule. Positive, we can say कि so many reformers came out to stop the evil practices in our society, and so many negative things means Western culture slowly started touching our society. So that is the negative point we can say. So here related to your first chapter, all the question answer has finished. Okay, bye, thank you.